Hi everyone, Attorney Rachel Kelley here with another Family Law Friday. This week we are wrapping up our series on the 5 phases of divorce with phase 5, the implementation phase. So this to me is probably one of the most important phases of the divorce, and also a lot of attorneys just don't do it. So it's really important as you're considering hiring an attorney that you're talking to them about, hey, are your services including implementing all the things that we agreed to in the judgment? Because a lot of attorneys will say no. Okay, so in the implementation phase, we are making sure that we are finalizing any court orders that are necessary to make sure that you get the property that you were entitled to. So if you've received a share of a retirement account, then in that implementation phase, we're going to be drafting what's called a qualified domestic relations order. Or if you have received your home and the other spouse is not receiving the home, then we likely need to prepare deeds, and that's something that we do in the implementation phase. Now, when we have issues related to children, those would not necessarily be things that we're dealing with in an implementation phase. That's probably something that might come up in what we would call a post-judgment matter. But for all intents and purposes, the implementation phase is about making sure that all of the things that you agreed to in the divorce are occurring. Making sure your name is off your cars, making sure your name is on the appropriate bank accounts, making sure you get credit cards out of people's names, and making sure you're getting your share of equity in the home or the retirement accounts that you're entitled to. Thanks so much. I hope this was helpful and that this series has really helped you figure out and understand a little bit more about how the divorce process works. As always, if you have any questions or you're considering a divorce, please give our office a call. We're here to help.